What's going on, guys? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Infinity in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in the all-new 2027 Infiniti QX65 Sport. So, the new QX65 is a highly anticipated SUV from Infiniti, as we all know. A coupe-ified version of the QX60, which sits in between the QX60 and the QX80. So this sport model is one of the middle trims, of course, with a sportier exterior and sportier interior. As you can see, it has carbon fiber, which is cool. That's a nice touch. You have the center display over there, digital gauge cluster, ventilated and heated seats in this car. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel, paddle shifters as well. You also have a head-up display in this model. You have a really nice interior in this one. Lighter gray with a white combo. Looks good. It's a nice two-tone. And you also have the Klipsch sound system in this vehicle as well. Rear seats look pretty spacious. Let's open up that sunshade. You'll obviously have a panoramic sunroof in this car. But let's walk around it, and then we'll take it out for a drive. And we'll also look at the window sticker in detail. You have a gray exterior on this vehicle. Looks pretty good. And here are the black wheels that you'll get with the sport trim level. Full LED daytime running lights and headlights. Very aggressive front fascia. I really like the grille on the QX65. It looks really aggressive and very sporty. And here's the big Infiniti logo, which also lights up at night. That's a good touch. 2027 Infiniti QX65 Sport all-wheel drive, 2-liter variable compression turbo with 268 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque, 9-speed automatic transmission. This has a premium package with a smart rearview mirror, head-up display, black roof rail crossbars up there, which are $490. You have a cargo package. Total price on this window sticker is $60,110. And the Klipsch sound system in this is the 16 speakers, 22 miles per gallon combined, 20 city, 26 highway, which is pretty good. Here are the rear seats, and as I mentioned, very spacious for it being a coupe SUV. And I like the materials, nice soft leather, and the carbon fiber trim, as I mentioned, looks quite nice. The back of this car also looks really good. You have the S badge for the Sport. I mean, compared to the QX60, I think the QX65 looks a lot cooler, you know, way more aggressive look, and the taillights look very similar to the QX80's taillight assembly. Let's take a look at the trunk. A lot of cargo space back here, very spacious as well. Seems like this is a very practical coupe SUV. It is a big SUV, that's for sure. This one also has like the tow hitch on the back. It has this tow package installed if you want to tow with your QX65. But it's a very attractive SUV. I think Infiniti did a great job designing it. But anyways, let's take it out on the road and you guys can see what it's like to drive it. I'm going to put it in sport mode. And one thing I like is the wireless charging tray has a little magnet which will attach to your phone, so your phone won't be flopping around in there. It attaches to the circle part of the iPhone, like where the magnetic charging port is, or point is. You see that magnet? That's nice. Because in the QX60, for example, it doesn't have that magnet, so your phone will just flop around a little bit, but the 65 has that improvement, so it won't do that anymore. Ride is pretty smooth. Acceleration feels very similar to the QX60. It is the same powertrain, of course. Visibility is pretty good in this vehicle. You can see out of the windows. As I mentioned, it is a big SUV, so that makes sense. Let's test out that backup camera. So you can see it in action right there. Overall, this 2027 INFINITI QX65 is a very good looking SUV. If you're familiar with the QX60 and are looking into getting in this QX65, it'll be very familiar, but it's a much cooler looking SUV than the QX60. So, if you're interested in shopping for your own 2027 QX65, be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infinity in the description below. And thanks for watching Groove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I will catch you all in the next video.